SAP FICO Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master SAP FICO Financial Accounting and Controlling, and gain expertise in financial management, accounting processes, cost control, profitability analysis, reporting, and enterprise financial operations. Our comprehensive SAP FICO training program helps professionals manage financial transactions and business accounting processes efficiently using SAP. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to streamline financial operations, improve reporting accuracy, and support strategic decision-making through SAP FICO. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Individual training is a personalized approach to learning, tailored to each learner's unique needs and goals. At Vistasparks Solutions, we offer customized training programs that focus on building deep conceptual clarity and absolute confidence in our learners. Our expert instructors provide dedicated mentorship, guiding learners through live SAP system sessions and portfolio building projects that simulate real-world enterprise environments. This approach enables learners to develop resume-ready skills and achieve career readiness. With individual training, learners can accelerate their progress, build confidence, and unlock their full potential. The financial engine of global business is driven by SAP FICO, the core of the world's most trusted ERP system. This technology empowers enterprises to automate financial processes, ensuring regulatory compliance and delivering real-time transparency across all operations. With SAP FICO, businesses can streamline their financial management, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. By leveraging this powerful tool, companies can gain a competitive edge in the market and achieve long-term success. The SAP FICO system offers a range of features that support organizations in achieving their financial goals. One key feature is its ability to provide real-time financial control over an organization's financial processes. This includes strategic planning, global accounting standards, and managing multi-billion-dollar transactions. The system also provides essential tools for driving precision in cost planning, budgeting, forecasting, and asset management. These functions are critical for organizations operating complex financial flows, requiring precise control over their financial operations. Furthermore, SAP FICO supports compliance with international financial reporting standards such as IFRS and GAAP, as well as regional standards. By implementing SAP FICO, organizations can streamline their financial processes, improve accuracy, and enhance overall efficiency. This enables them to drive precision in cost planning, budgeting, forecasting, and asset management, ultimately supporting strategic planning and global accounting standards. The company provides a comprehensive SAP FICO training program that includes both theoretical and practical aspects. The program is designed to equip students with the necessary skills to succeed in their careers. The training covers various topics such as financial management, accounting, and human resources. Students learn how to use the SAP GUI to manage and analyze data, and they also gain an understanding of the business processes involved in implementing SAP solutions. The program is delivered by experienced instructors who have extensive experience in the field. The training is highly interactive, allowing students to engage with real-world examples and case studies. Students also receive career guidance and support throughout the course. The company offers flexible scheduling options to accommodate different learning styles and needs. The company offers flexible learning paths that cater to different learning styles and preferences. The programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Each program includes personalized coaching and real-time practice sessions. The programs are designed to accommodate flexible scheduling and workflow organization. Dedicated interview preparation is also provided. This enables clients to upskill their teams and prepare for a successful SAP career. By choosing these programs, clients can optimize their internal SAP performance and achieve measurable return on investment. The core financials, FI, modules are essential for any SAP FICO implementation. These include general ledger, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. These three modules form the foundation of all other financial processes. The general ledger captures all financial transactions. Accounts payable automates vendor payments and streamlines outgoing cash transactions. Accounts receivable manages customer invoicing, collections, and incoming cash flows. Mastering these core FI modules allows organizations to automate critical financial processes. This automation improves efficiency and reduces errors. Automating these processes enables companies to focus on more strategic initiatives. Focus on these initiatives drives business growth and success. The training program covers all aspects of financial accounting, including tax configuration, GST, fiscal year and posting periods, document types and posting keys, global tax settings, variance, master transaction control, and GST posting windows. The training focuses on hands-on configuration skills that employers demand, going beyond theoretical knowledge. The training is designed to equip participants with practical skills needed to excel in their roles. By the end of the training, participants will have gained a deeper understanding of financial accounting concepts and developed the confidence to implement them in their organizations. The company has been using SAP Controlling, CO, for several years now. The system provides a comprehensive framework for managing financial processes, including budgeting, forecasting, and cost control. The company uses the system to monitor its financial performance on a daily basis, track key performance indicators, and analyze trends and patterns in order to make informed business decisions. The system also helps the company to identify areas where it needs to improve its financial management practices, such as reducing costs and increasing efficiency. By utilizing the SAP ecosystem, the company is able to streamline its financial operations and reduce costs associated with manual processing and errors. The Cost Center Accounting module provides detailed information about the costs incurred by each department within an organization. This information can be used to track expenses, identify areas where costs are high, and make informed decisions about resource allocation. The Internal Orders module allows users to monitor the costs associated with specific projects, enabling them to make more accurate predictions about future expenses. The Profit Center Accounting module helps organizations evaluate their business segments and assess their overall performance. By using these modules, companies can align their financial results with their strategic goals, making it easier to manage resources effectively. The modules also provide precise budgeting capabilities across different business units, allowing managers to make data-driven decisions. Advanced Controlling Analytics End-to-End Business Intelligence Advanced CO capabilities give finance teams the analytical horsepower to drive enterprise-wide decisions. PCC optimizes manufacturing costs at the product-level COPA, delivers margin analysis for executive strategy. Cross-module integration with SD, PP, and HR creates a unified financial picture. The Vistasparks Advantage offers a unique approach to learning that mirrors real-world scenarios through case study learning. This method prepares students for their jobs by simulating real-world situations. Hands-on practice with SAP GI enables students to gain practical skills. Students have live access to real enterprise systems, allowing them to work on actual operations from day one. In addition to this, Vistasparks provides dedicated career and certification support, which includes placement assistance, resume building, and SAP certification guidance. This comprehensive support helps students achieve success in their careers. The organization offers a comprehensive program that enables individuals to acquire the necessary knowledge and skills required for a successful career in finance. This program includes training on various aspects of SAP FICO, including implementation, configuration, and optimization. The program also covers topics such as data management, reporting, and analytics. Students who complete this program will have the opportunity to work on real-world projects and apply their new skills in a practical setting. The program is designed to equip working professionals with the advanced SAP skills needed to succeed in today's fast-paced financial environment. Individual training is designed to provide each learner with a personalized growth path. This approach ensures that learners achieve deep conceptual clarity and absolute confidence in their skills. The dedicated mentorship provided during this type of training is tailored to meet the unique needs and goals of each learner. Learners will have the opportunity to work closely with one instructor who is fully focused on their progress and development. Through live SAP system sessions and portfolio building projects, learners will gain practical experience and develop the skills needed to succeed in the field. This type of training is ideal for those who want to stand out in the job market and attract top-tier employers. The training program was designed to help employees understand the importance of their role in the organization and how they can contribute to its success. The program included a series of workshops and training sessions that focused on the key skills required for effective management of financial processes. The training also covered topics such as organizational change management, leadership development, and communication skills. The program was delivered in a flexible format, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and according to their learning style. The training was highly interactive, with a focus on group discussions, case studies, and hands-on exercises. The program was designed to be self-paced, allowing participants to review material and practice new skills as needed. The training was led by experienced instructors who were knowledgeable about SAP FICO and had extensive experience in delivering similar programs. The training was highly engaging, with a focus on real-world examples and practical applications. The program was designed to be highly effective, with a focus on maximizing ROI and minimizing costs. The training was delivered in a variety of formats, including classroom instruction, online courses, and on-the-job training. The program was highly customizable, allowing participants to tailor the training to their specific needs and goals. The training was highly supported, with a range of resources available to support participants throughout the program. The company provides comprehensive SAP FICO integration services that enable organizations to break free from departmental silos and gain a unified view of their data. This allows for informed decision-making and streamlined processes, ultimately leading to business success. The integration of all aspects of an organization's SAP ecosystem empowers teams to work together more effectively, utilizing the full potential of the SAP system. With expert guidance, organizations can achieve a cohesive and efficient enterprise-wide approach, maximizing the benefits of their SAP investment. Our SAP FICO training program is designed to bridge the skills gap in the market by providing our students with the latest knowledge and skills required to succeed in their careers. The program is structured into 2 levels, beginner and power user. The beginner level provides step-by-step guidance on foundational concepts, while the power user level offers advanced configuration mastery. We update our curriculum regularly to reflect the latest trends and best practices in SAP S/4HANA and global ERP systems, ensuring that our students have the most sought-after skills in the job market. With our expert-led training, students can gain the knowledge and skills needed to excel in their careers. Hands-on implementation training is a crucial part of our program. This type of training allows you to gain practical experience working with real-time SAP systems. During this phase, you will configure and customize various aspects of the system, including financial close statements and reports. You will also learn how to execute period-end and year-end closing procedures, as well as reconcile intercompany transactions and conduct audits. Our training focuses on providing you with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in your role. By working on live systems, you will develop a deeper understanding of the SAP system and its applications. This hands-on approach enables you to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios, resulting in more effective use of the system. Through our implementation training, you will become proficient in configuring and customizing SAP systems, enabling you to tackle complex tasks with confidence. Our experienced instructors will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that you receive personalized attention and support. With our hands-on implementation training, you will be able to effectively utilize the SAP system to drive business success. Vistasparks Solutions provides personalized curriculums tailored to each student's needs. The curriculum is designed around the student's background, pace, and professional objectives. This ensures a unique learning experience that caters to the individual's specific requirements. The training is delivered by experienced practitioners who have worked on real SAP projects across various industries. The company offers two types of training programs, individual and corporate. The individual training allows students to learn at their own pace, while the corporate training enables companies to create customized training plans for their employees. Both types of training cater to different learning styles and needs. The individual training program includes flexible scheduling and personalized mentorship. This allows students to focus on specific areas of interest and develop skills tailored to their careers. The corporate training program, on the other hand, enables companies to design a custom upskilling program for their teams. This helps companies to maximize their return on investment by providing employees with relevant skills and knowledge. All trainers at Vistasparks Solutions have real-world SAP project experience. This ensures that students receive expert guidance and hands-on experience. Students who participate in the training programs will gain practical knowledge and skills that can be applied in real-world scenarios. Vistasparks Solutions offers training programs for individuals and enterprises. The company's goal is to provide expert guidance and support to help learners achieve their goals. By offering customized training solutions, Vistasparks Solutions aims to empower learners to succeed in their careers. The company's vision is to provide a platform that enables users to manage their finances effectively. The platform offers various tools and features that facilitate efficient management of financial data, including real-time monitoring and reporting. The platform also provides training and support to help users develop skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in the field of finance. The company aims to create a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for finance and are committed to excellence. This community will be built around the concept of SAP FICO, which is widely used in the financial industry. The goal is to empower users to make informed decisions about their financial lives by providing them with the latest information and insights. By joining this community, users can gain access to exclusive resources and networking opportunities that can help them advance their careers. The company seeks to establish partnerships with other organizations to expand its reach and impact. The ultimate goal is to contribute to the development of the financial sector as a whole.